Hello there, this is Philip Neidlinger, KA4KOE, with another episode of Electromagnetic Mischief. Well, I've been doing some preventative maintenance on my FT-897 Delta with the AT-897 Plus tuner by LDG, a dynamite combination. Yeah! So anyway, I had to clean some connectors inside, the power connectors. I was getting some voltage drop on transmit, which is a common issue. So I've got some Deoxit Keg, Deoxit 5. I'll show you the little bottle of that stuff. With the needle applicator. You don't use the spray. You just put a little bit on the internal board connections and you clean those up. And a little bit on the little connections on the back, the Molex power jack. It seems to have solved it. And to finish up the work, we had to, clean the rest of the radio up. My brother Eric, KK4TVR, suggested this stuff. You put a little bit on a cloth. You don't spray the radio down that stupid. You need little holes in there. Having liquid fall into those holes would not be good. So you put this on a rag and you just wipe it down gently. And then you put some Armor All on the little rubber shaft here. And a little, whatever this thing is. Because they tend to get kind of gray colored after a while. You just make it look nice. Take care of your stuff, folks. And I'm thanking Mo, KO4GBB, for putting the idea in my mind of preventative maintenance on your radio. I mean, I take care of my stuff anyway, but it needed some work. And so we'll just keep it for a few more years until it dies. It's a great radio. I highly suggest it if you can find one. Take care, my friends. Enjoy the long 4th of July weekend. This is KA4KOE. Talk to you later, and be safe if you're on the road. Bye-bye.